Hi, this is Rita Luwade. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. Today I'll be showing you something special. This particular video I'm about to do is a special request from a lot of parents, because when the lockdown started, when isolation started, a lot of people panicked. What were they going to do? How were they going to get food to feed their children? So I remember saying something: whatever you have in your cupboard, make the best of it. So follow me. Let me show you my take on baked beans. First, put some oil in your hot frying pan. Add your cut sausages to the pan and fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes. So at this point, you add your sliced onions and pepper to the bran of fried sausages. Fry everything together for some time. As you can see, I added half of stock cube to the mix as I'm frying. Take off the pan from the fire for a short time to add your baked beans into the frying pan before putting it back on the fire. At this point, as you can see, you allow it to cook and you also mash the beans whilst cooking it. This quick and revamped baked beans was served with paratha, which my children love so much. This can also be served with yam, rice, fries, and bread, so you can have it in any way you like it. This is the final product of the baked beans, my take on the baked beans, and it's quick. As you can see, it did not take long, and also every university young person can make this, and it's cheap. Also, mom coming from work, they're fast to make, and your children will love it. You can have it with fries, you can have it with bread, you can have it with yam. As you can see on this list, we're having it with paratha. If you like this video, share, like, and hit the notification button. Don't forget to subscribe.